Hi guys, it's injury attorney Ann Fong, and this is what you need to know. Today we're going to discuss what happens if you're unhappy with your current attorney. Well, in California, you can leave your current attorney at any time. And some of the reasons, the most common reasons that people are unhappy with their current attorney is a lack of communication, not even being able to speak with the attorney. They're dealing with a paralegal, a law clerk, or a secretary all the time. And just really the personalities don't match. So this happens all the time. And in California, we protect our citizens. And so if you have an attorney that you're unhappy with, please try and recognize that as soon as possible, because the longer it takes and the longer you stay with them, it affects your ability to get another attorney in a sense, and I'll explain that to you in a second. So basically, let's say that in the first few months you've hired an attorney, and this is for an auto accident. We personal injury attorneys take what's called a contingency fee. So we get 1/3 of the settlement. That's a standard rate. Well, if you fire your attorney, they don't get that 1/3. And so if you hire a second one, you're not going to pay another 1/3 to the second attorney. That's very important to understand. And that's why I say the law protects the citizens, because otherwise people would be stuck with the same attorney that they were unhappy with. So number one, you do not have to pay double or triple attorney's fees if you change attorneys, okay? So what actually happens is the original attorney that you're leaving left is going to have to break down their time spent, their costs, and they get reimbursed on what's called a quantum merit. And that basically is, what did you do in an hourly rate that is reasonable? That's the California standard. So your second attorney, your new attorney, would then be responsible and pay the first attorney what we call an attorney lien, meaning however much money they've been able to calculate and reasonably owed. And so the second attorney will take the 1/3 of the settlement, and then from their 1/3 pay the original attorney. It doesn't affect the client's cut or the client's share. So you would still get your share and only be paying 1/3 of the settlement, okay? Even though that's split between two attorneys. So anyhow, like I said, the most important thing is just recognize early on if you have a good relationship with your attorney, stay with them. As soon as you see a red flag or two and something's just not right, make sure you seek another counsel immediately, guys, okay? Thank you.